Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and install Football Manager 2024 on your PC. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and open up is your browser right here, and inside your browser, you just want to go ahead and search for Steam. Now, if you don't know what Steam is, it is basically a video game digital distributor service that is one of the biggest out there. Now, once inside Steam, let's just go ahead and download and install their application by clicking on Install Steam right here. So if you are using your Windows, just go ahead and directly click on Install Steam, but if you are using something like Mac, just go ahead and click on the Mac logo, and you can also go ahead and do the same thing for the Chromebook. Now, after installing Steam, this is what it will came up with. Of course, you have to go ahead and log in your account in order for the page to go into this right here. Now, once inside, just go ahead and search for your preferred game. Well, in our case, let's just go ahead and search for Football Manager. And once done, you will be able to see the game right here, Football Manager 2024. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you will be able to install the game right here. Just go ahead and click Buy Football Manager, and there you go. You have managed to download and install Football Manager 2024. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.